This video will walk you through the different ways to assign a housekeeping group to a task. If you create a task that needs to have a housekeeping group assigned to it, be sure to click the Housekeeping task box. When you do this, the housekeeping group that is assigned to the property that this task is assigned to will automatically be the housekeeping group assigned to the task. Just as a reminder, the housekeeping group is assigned to a property by going to Housekeeping, Manage Housekeeping Groups, selecting the housekeeping group, clicking Apply, selecting the office, and selecting the property. If you ever want to check to see which housekeeping group has been assigned to a property, you can do that by going under Properties, Manage Properties, select the office, and select the property. Clicking the Edit button will bring up a series of tabs, and clicking the Miscellaneous one will show you the housekeeping group that has been assigned to this property. To change the housekeeping group on a task that has been assigned to a reservation, you first need to go into that reservation. Once you have accessed the reservation, click on the Readiness tab. Here you will see a list of tasks that have been assigned to this reservation, as well as tasks that are available to be assigned. For our example, we're going to change the housekeeping group on the Departure to Clean. So we'll click on that task. The housekeeping group that comes up automatically is the one that's currently assigned this task. To change the group, click on the drop-down menu and select the housekeeping group you would like to have this updated to. You will notice that the vendor automatically changed because the housekeeping group we have reassigned this task to is assigned to this vendor as opposed to the original vendor. Once we have made the change, the task has automatically been updated and reassigned. The second way a housekeeping group can be changed on a task is by going to the Readiness Manager grid under Housekeeping and Readiness Manager. Find the task that you would like to adjust and click on the double arrows. You will see that right now this task is assigned to the vendor of Smith Cleaning Company with the housekeeping group of Smith Cleaning Company. To reassign the task, click the drop-down arrow and click on the new housekeeping group. The vendor automatically updates because this housekeeping group is associated with this vendor as opposed to the original vendor that was on the task. Clicking the Reassign button will update this task, and you will now see the change reflected in the Readiness Manager grid. If you have any questions about assigning a housekeeping group to a task, please let the help desk know either through a ticket or an email to help@vrmgr.com. Please enjoy the other videos in the Readiness Manager series for more information. Thank you.